Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
what's
Oh,
up?
so we are in Tabanan, actually in Jatiluwih today, and yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of walk around. We are on the way to Winnie's hometown. I mean, to visit her family and stuff like this. So it's also good to have a little bit of fresh air.
Yeah, so we decided to stop in Jatiluwih and then see how the beautiful rice paddies.
Here's the beautiful view, and here is even some small warung with the beautiful view, actually best view as you can see here. I don't know it's the name of the restaurant or not, however they make it nice marketing with that. Best view, small cozy bamboo hut, and even some people are around, which is actually really not so bad. There is the Jatiluwih village, as you see, beautiful rice fields and the coconut trees, sayang drinking water. And check this out, this lady or guy, he or she have a Ray-Bans, so actually not so bad. A beautiful area. Always Jatiluwih is always beautiful. Now the rice is very nice.
It's beautiful, sipping a coffee with the rice paddies views. Alright guys, so I just read one interesting article from Hello Bali ID, and it said that the hard truth, only 43 passengers enters Bali in the first half of 2021. And then it says that in this article, very interesting, in this case, the number of foreign tourists coming into our beloved island in the first half of 2021, you read it right, only 43 came in. Just for comparison, in the same period, just a year before, if we compare just year before, when the pandemic began, around 1 million, which was already 1/6 shortfall compared to the pre-pandemics out. So out of that, 40 and then 10 were recorded in January, 12 in February, and 3 in March, and 9 in April, and just 1 in May. So it's just half year. I don't know what to say then. And how will be Bali then in the half next year? So with the restriction and everything will be empty. So this is our pisang goreng coming. We order pisang goreng and 2 hot coffee. And Damian's there is flying his toys. Okay, so today is full moon, and you see that over there, I think that is a beautiful ceremony in the small temple. I think that's Subak temple, the temple for the rice paddies. Beautiful.
And here is the example of real hard work in Bali of Balinese people. Hello. This lady is working in the rice field. It's very beautiful here, but this is really hard job. I really come specially for you to show you how hard their work is. Hello. Can you see it? Hello.
Hi.
Very hard job. Big respect for these ladies.
I really like the shape of the rice paddies here, rice terrace. Beautiful. They really maintain, the farmers really maintain super well. And yeah, this is how it is. So this is how we call it as the irrigation system or subak. You know, the water just coming from the highland on going down to the lower land. It's beautiful. So the farmers really maintain how the water system in their rice paddies, and look at this, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So I'm a little bit lost of my breath walking from there and here. Well, personally, I much prefer this Jatiluwih. It's not about because of, close by my house, but I really like how the farmers here really maintain how's the rice paddies and how they really protect that. And then even that this area also, there are some restaurant, but it's not as much as in Tegalalang.
tonight. Leave behind my safe escape. Collide my walls, and all my troubles sail away tonight. Save me, now I'm ready to be falling, to be living. Come and save me. Send a carpet, send a wave, send a memory to save when going home.
Alright, so we are walking right now in the around the village of Jatiluwih, where there is so many restaurants, and in normal conditions at that time is the lunchtime, usually super busy, as it's difficult to park any car around here, this restaurant. Sometimes people driving around just looking for the empty spot or place to eat, because it's always so busy. Like, if you ever been here in the last 3 years, especially 2018, 2019 was so busy here. I remember that time. But now, unfortunately, as you see, the situation looks a little bit different, as we can even walk on the middle of the street, which is somehow is nice because it's empty and it's more natural and more natural. But from the perspective of maybe local people who are living here and they having the businesses here, it doesn't look as that optimistic, right? By the way, here is the land for sale, I just realized.
No, this is not land for sale, honey. This is just like you cannot build something here.
Oh, you cannot build something here
Because this one is the green zone.
the green zone, and this belongs to the UNESCO, right? So you cannot build this. That was but that's actually good as you explained.
Okay, just say for this example, this is a local restaurant, and then next to it were so many umbrellas, and then the seating, only one guest. Normally at this time was pack of people and just come, you know, for just to make a pictures. Okay, so we were in that restaurant before, and then I was talking to the owner, and I met that guy, the owner, and then I asked him, you know, this area is supposed to be green zone area. It means that you cannot build even a restaurant or, you know, warung. But he said that because of his father owned the land, so he can build it. So he has a, let's say, permit to build it, you know, because this area is a UNESCO. Okay, so based on the regulation that I know, that from Tabanan, you know, the area that you can build the restaurant is this area, you know, like close by the big main road, not like inside the UNESCO area. But yeah, just because the owner is, you know, the son of the farmer, and then yeah, he has the privilege to build the restaurant. So yeah, you see, this is how it is nowadays. Some restaurants are empty with no customers, and some restaurants are open with some customers. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Jatiluwih in Tabanan. And then this is how the current situation in Jatiluwih. We didn't see that many foreign tourists, only locals, majority here. Okay,
Foreigner
I think that's
person.
all our video today guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
See ya, take care.